Good morning everyone, welcome back. How is everybody doing? It's good to be back. First of all, I do want to thank you guys all for subscribing and liking my video. You guys are awesome. And today is the day that bike is going for first service. I should have gone at 600 miles, that's what they told me, but you know, when you are having these beautiful days and no work, you just want to ride. I have been riding pretty much every day for last week, and the weather has been very nice too. It's like today is a beautiful day as well, but it's the bike has 753 miles. I'm like, you know, let's not wait any longer, just bring it in. Let's get the first service done. First service is supposed to be oil change and adjustments and all these things that they need to do. So that's why I'm bringing it in. But usually I do my oil change and stuff, so I'm pretty good with that. So the first service is the service that the dealer is going to see the bike, and unless any other mechanical issue, and I hope not. So the beginning of this week, guys, I have been back to work. Working 3 days, almost 2 months that I didn't go to work, and with all the COVID things going on, it's pretty bad. So I hope all of you guys are doing well, and all the Z900 owners or owners to be enjoy the beautiful summer, have fun. Man, I just want to open up sometimes. So it's gonna be a quick video today. It's a quick short ride to my local Kawasaki dealer. They are very nice people. If you guys live in New Haven area in Connecticut, highly recommend go and check out their dealership. They do have they are our Ducati, Kawasaki, Suzuki and Aprilia, the dealership. So they have been there for very long time, and owner works there, and she is very nice. So I highly recommend go check out if you guys are interested in bikes, and if you guys are looking to purchase bike, they do have reasonable price too. Trying something out to just get a raw sound from the exhaust. So I got a Zoom recorder which is recording right now in the back seat. So I will see how it sounds for the highway run. I know I have my dead cat on my GoPro. Hopefully the wind is not bad, but I'm just gonna probably have the exhaust sound on just to see how it goes. I gotta take it easy. We have a state trooper sitting like right in front, so it's their station. exit. guys, I'm actually heading into our downtown New Haven. Probably show you guys, give you guys a little tour about our downtown New Haven. I'm sure many of you guys probably heard of Ivy League School, which is Yale New Haven University. So it's here, and it gets very lively. But now, due to COVID, all the classes are online, so you won't see anybody around. It's kind of like a ghost town. A lot of construction going on everywhere. Alright, so there's another college, community college. That's the Yale New Haven hospitals. You know, its whole area is their hospital and university and college. It's just very nice. Gets very lively at night and stuff. So let's go straight and take the video straight. Right, I'm supposed to be making, I'm not supposed to be, but yeah. Because a lot of things are opening back up, but it's not back to full throttle, so it's like it's very quiet. And one more thing, guys, GoPro Media Mod that I used to have, I actually returned this thing. It doesn't work. I mean, it's works and then doesn't work. So sometimes I go out and record like a whole video, and then I get back and there is no audio. Like, I mean, there is audio, but it's not recorded through my microphone. It's just like so annoying. I'm like, you know what, I'm just wasting my time. And I think many people said the same thing, I guess, on reviews. It's just media mod is not a good option. So I just went with the adapter they have, 3.5mm adapter with the USB-C. So returned the media mod, got some money back, and that was on sale for $30. So just got that one mounted on my helmet and recording audio with that. I hope it works. I tested it out. I mean, it sounded pretty good, and I installed the dead cat too for the microphone, so hopefully wind is not bad. Hopefully everything sounds nice and good. And oh man, thing about downtown, you get so many lights and the roads are not smooth. And if you guys can see the some of those buildings, like they are like very, very old and cool. And they built new buildings like the one like front of me, like that way. It's like a lot of new buildings, but just the old-fashioned ways. Like, it's crazy, it's beautiful. And my wife works for Yale University, and she's a nurse, so we get to come here a lot. And I worked for Yale University for a little bit. And I'm not meant to be like, you know, work in a desk. I hate it. I worked for 3 months and then I quit. I didn't even like look for another job before I quit. I just quit because I couldn't take it. Sitting 9 to 5 job in a desk is not for me. I need to be sitting with I'm a very what do you call, customer facing guy. Like, I like talking to people, interacting with people. And I have been since high school time, you know, throughout the college, but I never thought I would be I mean, I thought quitting my current job and maybe do a desk job just to give it a try. It didn't work out for me, guys, so I decided to go back to my financial industries, which I have been working for like almost, I don't know, more than a decade. So yeah, we're almost close to the dealership, guys. It's like really like right around the corner. Good people here. So I just wanted to record a quick video while I bring the bike to service and just try out the audio from the Zoom recorder, see how it works, and just to, you know, say hello to you guys. Once again, please, you know, like, subscribe, and give me thumbs up, and I appreciate all of you guys leaving those great comments and asking questions, and I'll try my best to get those answers to you guys. And here is the dealership, guys. I know it's pretty busy today. Yeah, they need to get their parking lot spot done, but there it is. So I'm here, guys. Once again, they are our local Ducati, Suzuki, Kawasaki, and Aprilia dealership. So if you guys are in the market to looking for a new bike, feel free to come here and check them out. And hopefully I can connect with the owners and see if I can do like loaner bikes and stuff. They usually don't allow that, but I'll talk to them, see what happens. And if I get to go in and review their bikes, that would be awesome. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks once again, like and subscribe, and I'm checking out from here. Take care, guys. Bye. Guys, so here is the dealership inside. There's another Z900 here. That's the blue one. And this is the 400. Yeah, that's the Ninja 400. Yeah, and look at that French Z400. So that all the Kawasaki Z's are right here. Yeah, and that's a Z650. Some Suzuki's here, and all the Ducatis to the front. The ZH2. Wow, this bike. See, all the bikes in USA, they come with the beautiful LED headlights, but then look at the turn signal. It's the same one I have on my Z900. So that's the Z900 in this steroid, guys. That's the supercharged ZH2, around 200 some horsepower. So that thing is a beast. So here it is, guys, and if you guys want to get one, come here and get one. So yeah. Spot, New Haven. Yeah, New Haven Powersports is the dealership name. So if you guys in this area, search for it. All this, and we got some Ducatis here. And we have two beautiful friends here. They are the friendliest ever. So there you go. That's the Ducati V4S. And here's the white one. That's hyper motored. That's what you say. It's a Ducati hyper motor. Yeah. It's like, it's a nice bike too. Oh, look at this one. That's very tall. I think those are the touring multistrada. That's what it is. Yeah, Ducati multistrada. Yeah, those bikes are beautiful, man. These are so nice. Maybe one day I will get one of these too. Look at those, all the Ducati monsters there. They're great. And we got some scramblers here. And look at this beast right here. Wow. Yeah. So here's the quick tour, guys, for our dealership here. So if you guys are looking into motorcycles for Ducatis, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Aprilias, you gotta come here. Alright, guys, I will talk to you guys soon.